Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever thought about how much fun it would be to create your own lipstick at home? Not only is it a fantastic way to express your creativity, but making your own lipstick allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring they're all natural and safe for your skin. Imagine mixing colors to match your mood or the season. Let's dive into this exciting DIY adventure. To start, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need natural oils like coconut or jojoba oil for hydration, beeswax to give your lipstick structure, and pigments for color. You can use beetroot powder for a lovely red tint, cocoa powder for browns, or even activated charcoal for a deep black. These natural ingredients not only provide vibrant colors, but also nourish your lips. Now let's move to the process. Begin by measuring out 1 part beeswax, 2 parts oil, and a pigment of your choice. For a small batch, about 1 tablespoon of beeswax and 2 tablespoons of oil works perfectly. Place these ingredients in a small heat-proof container and set it in a pot of simmering water. This method, known as a double boiler, ensures that the beeswax melts slowly without burning. As the beeswax and oils melt together, stir occasionally to blend them well. Once everything is completely melted and combined, you can remove it from the heat. Now, this is where you can get creative. If you want your lipstick to have a hint of scent, add a few drops of essential oil, like peppermint or vanilla, which not only smell amazing, but can also be soothing for your lips. Next, pour your mixture into a lipstick tube or a small container. If you're using a tube, make sure to leave a little room at the top for expansion. Allow it to cool and solidify, which usually takes about 30 minutes. As it sets, you'll see the transformation from a gooey mixture to a beautiful solid lipstick ready to wear. Once your lipstick has hardened, it's time to test it out. Swipe it on your lips and marvel at your creation. This DIY lipstick not only looks fabulous, but also feels great because you know exactly what went into it. Plus, it's an incredible conversation starter. What's your go-to red lipstick? Let me know in the comments. If you love what we do here at Beautyistic, click that bell so you don't miss out on our latest beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for visiting the channel, and we think you'll find the video shown on screen next to be super helpful in achieving your beauty goals.